On screen, title card: How to Connect Stripe with Shopify 2025. Voiceover: In this 60-second tutorial, you'll see exactly how to connect Stripe with your Shopify store in 2025. On screen callout: Important, check Stripe availability in your country. Voiceover: First, make sure Stripe is available for your country and business type on Stripe's website. On screen callout: Step 1, log into Shopify. Voiceover: Step 1, log into your Shopify admin dashboard at shopify.com. On screen callout: Go to Settings Payments. Voiceover: In Shopify, click Settings at the bottom left, then choose Payments. On screen callout: Check your current payment provider. Voiceover: Here you'll see your current payment provider. We'll add Stripe as an additional option where available. On screen callout: Note, availability can differ by region. Voiceover: If you don't see Stripe as an option, it may not be supported in your region or plan. On screen callout: Step 2, add Stripe. Voiceover: Under Payment Methods, click Add Payment Method and search for Stripe. On screen callout: Select Stripe from the list. Voiceover: Select Stripe from the list of providers, then click Connect or Activate. On screen callout: Step 3, log into Stripe. Voiceover: A new Stripe window opens. Log in, or create a Stripe account if you don't have one yet. On screen callout: Authorize access. Voiceover: Review the permissions, then click Authorize access to this account to link Stripe with Shopify. On screen callout: Step 4, save and test. Voiceover: Back in Shopify, confirm Stripe is listed as an active payment method, then click Save and run a small test order. On screen callout: You're connected. Voiceover: That's it. Stripe is now connected to your Shopify store. For more 2025 e-commerce tutorials, hit subscribe and keep optimizing your checkout.